Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be going over the Allure box for December 2025. I know I missed the November one, but I have it here with me, but we're just gonna let it go, and sometimes it's okay to let things go. And it's just November was just such a busy month. With little kids, it's just everything seems harder. Regardless, we have our December one and we'll get right into it. And we don't have our chai today, we just have our Diet Coke, and now we'll get into the makeup. Here there is. I try to do the ASMR thing, but it's just not my thing. Box for December. We have a Manuka Honey Kiss Deep Hydration and Shine. It's a shampoo and conditioner. Seems pretty cool. I've never heard of this brand. It's like it would be a Korean brand, but I don't think it is. Apparently it's very nourishing. Probably not going to use it. I think I don't really need nourishing for my hair. I need something that helps with growth. I'm probably going to give this away. And I have two sisters and they love the stuff I give away. So maybe if we get big enough, I can do a giveaway if we get to 10,000 subscribers. But I don't know if that's ever gonna happen. But if it does, I will do a giveaway. And we got a free meal card. Just kidding. It's just HelloFresh since there's stuff in there. Pretty cool. I did HelloFresh actually when we got married. When I got married, it was pretty cool. It's still like you still have to cook everything, but I don't know. It was like I still gotta cook it, so might as well just go to the store, but I think it's a good option, I guess. Next, we have this Venom Firming Eye Cream from Rodial. Put this underneath your eye, I'm assuming. I think I'm going to try this out and see how it goes because I do have some under eye lines. And as I'm getting into my 30s and 40s, and not 40 yet, I'm into my 30s, but I am getting those eye lines. So this would be cool to try out. Then we have this Beauty for Certain contour palette, which is interesting because I have their highlighter, which I also got from I think the October box, and I really like it. Contour palette. I think this is nice if you want to just take something with you when you're traveling. Like this is a nice one to kind of really carve out your nose or whatever. So I'm going to try this for contour actually. Oh, okay. Maybe don't do that. I don't know. What do you think? There's a lighter shade and there's a darker shade, and there's two of these little swatches. Oh, not bad actually. You can use them as a highlighter. You can kind of use it as an eyelid topper. Not bad. Like a nice bronzy gold color, but it's not too bronze, but not too gold, which is cool, I guess. I mean, I like it. Next, we have this Gentle Retinol Salicylic Acid Daily Toner Pads from Innisfree. I think this is a Korean brand. Don't count me on this. I may have to reach out to my cousin Fatima. Shout out to Fatima. She is my baby cousin, but she knows way more than I do about skincare, so she is my go-to. Probably have to message her about this and ask because I don't know anything about skincare. Makeup, I can tell you. Skincare, not really. She's really my skincare guru, so we'll reach out to her and see what to do. And we're gonna go in with DIBS Rock Candy. This is a glossy balm. Never heard of this company. It doesn't say where it's made. Korea, so it is a Korean brand. Cool. I don't know, I think lately I've been curious about Korean brands and I've been so into glosses. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is a color I would totally put it on, but I don't think it's gonna really show on the color I already have going, but I think I'm gonna keep. I will keep those because I think my sister doesn't really like glosses. I'll keep this one. That is it for the month of December. I would say I'm not very blown away by this box, but I don't think it's a bad box. I think if you are starting out with makeup and things like that, I think this box, the Allure box, is a good way to go because you get to try all these new products, and for $25 or $26 you get to have like 5 or 6 of them, which is pretty nice. I think it's a pretty good deal. Try it out if you want to. I'm gonna try to keep doing these. I'm gonna try not to have a break. I know we missed November, so yeah, we'll go with that, and I'll see you next time.